Hello, this is William at TechWiz LLC, and we took this screen out and we put it in. Now it's very nice and new, and the touchscreen works. The first thing you need either is to use your fingernails, if you got some, to get around the edges of the screen. It doesn't look like this screen has any screws, so literally it's just snap all the way around. And since I'm not too worried about the others, very quick, just pull it out there. It's a little adhesive on the bottom there. Okay, well that's your first step right there. Okay, so now we got screws that connect everything in there. So we got this top screw. HP made this really easy. This is on a scale of 1 to 10 on laptops. This is probably the easiest one I've ever done. They even made the ribbon cable very easy not to pull, because usually this is not just a little tiny cable like that. So it's adhesive on the top, but there you just gotta separate that part. I'm not too worried about this screen because it's already broken. Okay, so this comes off. This will quite a bit of adhesive. Boom. There's one piece, and then we have this right here, which I don't know exactly. Just looks like a sticker to me. Let's make sure. Very weird sticker, but yeah, I'll stick that on there. Okay, out the old screen goes. Connector. As you can see, the connector just slides in. Okay, we're all in there. And this just clips right back in place. Don't push too hard because you can break the screen. Don't do that. So it just doesn't change its colors. You go for the screen each time you're putting. And that's how you fix a screen good as new.